Hello and welcome back to another Dominator 675 models video. Today we're reviewing Airfix's 172 A-4B Skyhawk model. Let's first remind ourselves what actually comes inside of this kit. So we have four sprues. We have three grey with the main part, we have one clear one, and we also have a nice decal sheet. So already there are good bits about this kit. There's little flash and there is consistent mold quality across all of the sprues. They also contain good crisp detailing. This kit also comes with 4 acrylic paints included: 130, 129, 128, 60, 53 and 33. Without further ado, let's get on to the quality and what the kit really looks like. Right from the get-go, as being a jet model, things start to fit rather easily and almost appear to snap into position. This kit also comes with the option of having the landing gear down or up. Please be aware that the results will vary between modelers and this may be different to what you experience. So, as you can see, this is the finished look of the model, and I used the paint provided and the glue in the kit. They required little thinning. The decals sat very nicely on the model and did require little effort to put on the model. They contorted very nicely and were a typical good standard of Airfix. As you can see, however, as pointed out by the green arrow, I had some difficulty applying the danger symbol. I tried this multiple times and didn't get the result I wanted. Even though there were some small issues with some of the decals, I would definitely recommend this kit to any age and any type of modeler, be that pro or amateur. If you had missed the unboxing video that I did a while ago, I will put a link in the description so you can catch up on what was really inside the box and what you need to know. I hope this has been a good, small and informative video about Airfix's A-4B Skyhawk starter set. If you have any more questions about the A-4B Skyhawk concerning anything to do with the build or the box, please be sure to use the comments below and I'll try to respond to every single one. If you did enjoy this video or got something out of this video, please be sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more of Dominator 675 models content and help us reach 1k, be sure to subscribe. So until the next one, this is Dominator 675 models signing off. Happy modeling, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.